Kaidi,
Kakain
3
tayo
points.
nito.
Let's go, get your license. Let's go. Go get your license. Ka pa rin sa brakes. Push down. Okay yan. Wala na yan. Wala dapat red yan. Yung green na yan, it's eco lang yan. Eco mode. Okay. Let's pull out of the curb. Signal. Left. Look at the mirror. Wala. Over the shoulder. Let's go. Release the brakes. There you go. Always stop on top of the word stop. Ilang stop to? 1 or 2?
1.
2.
Up to?
How would you know? Walang stop sign sa kaliwa.
Oh.
So, ibig sabihin, itong lane na to, hindi yan humihinto. Ikaw lang meron sa kayo, no? Okay, so, ito na yung first stop mo. Traffic check. Left, right, left. Okay, you inch forward, we're going straight. You inch forward until you see the incoming vehicles. Sige lang. Malayo pa yan, hindi ka pa nila kita. Dito ka maghintay. Left, ayan, meron, di ba? So, you stop, you wait.
So we're going straight pa, diba?
Oo. So pag-alis niya, traffic check ka. Left, right, left. Oh, let's go na. Yo, that's your first intersection. Alright. Ngayon, i-incorporate natin lahat. What is your speed limit according to sa ating discussion kanina?
25?
25. So check your speed. You go at least 20. Okay. Ngayon, okay, walang line yung gitna ng road natin. So it means you have to go to your correct lane. Okay, how would you know kung saan yung dividing line mo? Let's go straight, please. Dapat di mo kita yung line. Okay, how many stops? 1 or 2?
2?
1.
1 only.
Ayan na, may stop sign sa kaliwa. Okay,
yeah.
traffic check. Left, right, left. Wala, let's go. Okay, walang line sa gitna ng daan, di ba? Okay, there is going to be yung mga indicators. Yung indicators mo, it's either manhole or yung blue indicator. Makikita mo yan, oh. Ayan, oh. Blue indicator ahead. Pag nakita mo yung blue indicator na yan, ina-identify niya kung nasan yung gitna ng daan. So you don't go there anymore. Tapos, yung word na stop, doon ka lang lagi mag-stop sa ibabaw niyan. Okay, if you don't see the line anymore, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Don't forget your traffic check. Let's go straight. Oh, don't forget your speed limit. Oh, magaling ka na mag-drive. You just have to go proper everything. Proper lane. Ayun na, yung mga blue indicators mo and manholes, palagi nasa gitna yan. So, guide mo yan to keep you from your lane and to keep you from going out of your lane. Wala kang stop sign. May stop sign sila. So, you have to watch out lang. Okay, let's go straight. At the stop sign, let's go make a right turn. Identification tayo. How many stops are you going to make? 1 or 2?
1?
2. Walang stop sign sa kaliwa. Okay, 1,
Ayaw nga pala.
2,
Walang
3.
all-way yung
Yeah.
nakakalimutan
So you
ko.
go like this. Punta ka sa curb. Ayan yung curb mo. Oh. Dito ka mag-antay. You stop, you check, wala. Let's go na. Pag wala, keep looking lang. Kasi merging ka eh. It means wala kang right of way dito. Pag nabunggo ka nila dito, ikaw pa may kasalanan. Ayan o. Let's go. Speed limit, 25. Ayan, dali lang yan. Ang maganda is, tamo, you're driving. Pero you have to go proper speed. Tingnan mo yung speed mo, 10 lang. Ayan, yan yung mga factors. Madali lang yan. At the stop sign, let's go straight. How many stops?
1.
Okay. Check kung sino nauna. Traffic check. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Ikaw na yan kasi natapos na yung traffic check mo. Hindi ka pwedeng dito ka lang. Keep left. We go straight, please. Ayan, proper distance up front. Dapat kita mo yung dalawang gulong and a bit of the road. This is too far na.
Oh, okay.
This is too far. Konti lang yung daan. Makita lang nila na nakapatong yung dalawang gulong sa ibabaw ng daan. It's good na. Okay, a bit more. A bit more. Yan, dito, yan. Okay, let's go straight, please. Okay, again, speed limit?
25.
25. Alright, ito yung left line mo. This is your right line. You always stay closer to your left line. Kasi, yan o, may bike lane ka na. Shared lane yan. This lane, right side mo is a bike lane. Oh, stop sign. Stop, check. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Yan. Hindi pa nagja-jive. Pero, eventually,
Yeah.
nagja-jive yan. Naninibago ka lang. Okay, shared lane yan ha. It means, pwede tayong pareho dito. It's either us or them. Pareho yan. Pwede silang nasa harapan mo, pwede silang nasa right side mo. First, change lane mo. Let's change lane to the right, please. Signal. Mirror. Over the shoulder. Pasok ka dito, oh. Yan, pasok mo dyan. And then, we're going to make a right turn. Okay, remember, if you hit the curb, bagsak, di ba?
Did I hit it?
Yeah, no. Okay, full stop. Let's go. I'll let you go.
Huh?
Let's go make a right. I'll let you go. Let's go make a right turn. Pag sinabi ni examiner mo na, okay, you can make a right turn, it means it's good. Right turn, right lane. Up.
Sorry, sorry.
Diretso daw. It's alright. Let's go straight. Yan ang purpose ng brakes.
Yeah.
Okay, traffic light, that is for pedestrian crossing. Pag may nakita kang blinking red, it means para siyang always stop sign. What is an always stop sign?
Full stop?
Full stop, first in, first out.
First in, first
Okay,
out.
pag nag-shutdown na yan, it means nakarating na yung
Need to go?
yeah, you can go. You don't have to stop na. You know? Okay. Stay closer to your left line. Pag sinabi kong top left, go top left yan. Top left yan. Ibig sabihin, go closer to your left line lang. Okay, we go straight, please. Mas malayo pa lang, you're braking na. You don't brake at the last second. You know, tingnan mo siya, proper distance, di ba? Tingnan mo siya, proper distance, di ba? Tingnan mo ikaw, proper distance. Ganyan ang driving in the States. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas na
Tutukan.
itututok na nila yan. Ako, tayo, pupunta na tayo doon. Kung saan-saan na tayo magpapadpad. Okay, so dito, rules and regulations lang talaga. Yung driving mo, magaling na yung driving mo. It's more on practice na lang yan. Practice. Kailangan mag-fuse yung driving mo sa rules and regulations, or else mangyayari yung nangyari kanina na nag-right turn ka, biglang nag-ano ka. That's what you call oversteering. Hindi mo siya naibalik na kagad. Oh, pero that's alright. That's the purpose of the brakes, gas.
Yeah, pero pag kasama mo na si ano, wala na siyang brake.
Yeah, kaya sila ninenervyos. Let's go straight. Kaya yung examiner mo, binabagsak ka niya agad kasi wala siyang control. Yan, let's keep going straight. Walang changing lanes sa loob ng intersection. You cannot change lane inside the intersection. Okay, and then you always go inside your lane. Huwag kang lalabas. Yun, no? Yan. Pag meron kang anything emergency, like emergency vehicle at the back, you pull over towards the right. Tigil ka talaga, tingnan mo siya. Okay, remember, no sudden brakes. Kaya malayo pa lang ina-anticipate mo na yan, oh. Yellow na siya, di ba? Can you still go? Wala na yan. That's too far. So you slow down. Oh, tingnan mo. Bawal kang mag-stop sa gitna ng intersection, gitna ng keep clear, gitna ng crosswalk and bike lane. So straight, please. Then eventually we go to the freeway. Oh, diba? Ang freeway, mas madali ang freeway. Dito talaga yung pahirapan. Ito. Kasi ang freeway, straight lane lang yun. Pag nandun ka na sa loob, wala na yun. Okay na yun. Oh, huwag kang last second mag-brake. Or else, magne-nervous.
Yung isa.
Mag-heart attack.
Ganun pa naman ako sa Pilipinas. Sudden breakup po talaga.
Practice natin yung two-point braking. Let's go straight. Two-point braking means let's go straight. One long, nagbe-brake ka, and then release mo siya, then one short brake na lang. Mamaya practice natin. At the moment, ano lang tayo, it's more on being comfortable ka lang sa rules and regulations. Na-discuss na natin. Now, it's more application na yan. Puro application na lang tayo. Okay, pag nag-yellow yan dito, don't stop. Kasi 10 feet.
Yeah.
There's no way of stopping yan. Kahit si examiner mo sasabihin niya, go, go, go. Changing lanes tayo. Change lane to the left. Signal. Mirror. Pag wala, over the shoulder. Over the shoulder. Front. Side ulit. Side. Tingin sa side. Yan. Cancel turn signal. Pag hindi mo kinancel yan, you get 1 point deduction. Okay. One long break. Break ka na dito. Diba? Okay. You release it this time. Release mo. And then one break again. Diba? Mas better yung braking mo kasi nawala yung momentum mo. So, pagdating sa exam, pag gumaganyo sa examiner mo, -1 ka na doon. Here's the next command. At the next corner, let's go make a right turn. Next corner, let's go make a right. Signal. 10 miles. Go to your correct lane. Bawi. Up, not yet. Parang may problema tayo doon sa bawi na yan
Yeah.
Okay.
Medyo confusing pa sa akin yung ganun.
Okay, madali lang yan. Madali lang yan. Let's go straight. Kasi ganun yung nangyari sa atin kanina.
Yeah.
It's alright lang. Okay, ganito yan. You have to be aware yung gitna. So ano yung sinusundan mo dito para hindi ka mapunta sa kabila?
Yung mga blue,
Manhole and blue indicators. Ayan, dito ka lang. Okay. Ngayon, you have to keep your car in your correct lane all the time. Okay, stop sign. Let's go straight. How many stops? 2.
2.
Walang stop sign. No?
Walang stop
Okay,
sign.
check. For the first is, yung first check mo, pedestrian yun. Pag may tumatawid,
Dito muna ang tingin.
and then you go forward para mawala yung blind spot ng incoming vehicle. So dito ka, forward ka lang. Dito ka, ayan. Tignan mo, mawawala yung blind spot kasi makikita mo na sila. So you stop here, check, then you can go na.
Straight?
Yes, yun ang purpose ng 2 stops. Tapos yung turnings mo, you just have to follow the line. Madali lang yan. Madali lang yung problema mo. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta turn lang ng turn. You have to turn. You have to use your mga guides, mga guidelines. Okay, let's go make a right turn, please. Ang tanong dito, may stop sign ka o wala?
Wala.
Do you have to stop?
Yeah. Hindi lang, slow lang.
You have to stop.
I have to stop?
Yeah, this is a T intersection. Stop ka dito, no? Yeah, up to here. Traffic check. 1, 2, 3. Then you can go na. Keep going. You know, hand over hand. Okay. Then, maghanap tayo ng ano. Yung may lines. Okay, we go straight, please. Okay, always stop on top of the word stop.
Okay.
Proper position mo lagi yan. Okay, practice natin left and right. Okay, let's go make a right, please. How many stops?
Huh?
How many stops?
2.
2.
Yeah.
Traffic check ka. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go na kasi may sasakyan sa likod. Okay. Alright. Basta 9 and 3 ka lagi, ano? Every time na you're turning,
9
naka 9 entry ka para hindi ka mawala. Kasi kung minsan sobra yung kabig mo, mag-oversteer ka talaga. Parang yan oh, there's a speed bump. You have to slow down. Point. That's -1. Let's go straight lang. Let's go straight. Sige lang, keep going. Go to your correct speed. Hindi ka pwedeng. Okay, dito tayo magra-right turn. So turn signal to the right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's go make a right. Punta ka muna sa gitna, and then hand over hand. Sige, kabig lang ng kabig. Sundan mo yung left line. Yan o. Yan, susundan mo yung left line. Yun. Hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta mag-turn. Kailangan you have to wait for it. Okay, number 1, you go to the middle lagi. Saka ka palang mag-turn. Okay, ang turnings mo is
Hand over hand.
hand over hand. Magmi-meet sila sa 12. Kasi nakikita ko chinatsani mo eh. So, i-correct natin yan. Let's go make a left turn, please. Okay, ganito yan, ano? Okay, slow down, left turn. Huwag kang mag-stop. Okay, go to the middle. Pagdating mo sa middle, hand over hand. Yan, sige. Okay, then you wait for it. Pag nasobran mo kasi yung kabig, yung kotse mo sumusunod lang sa'yo. Alright? Let's go, sir. Wala ka na sa lane mo. Yan, nakikita mo yung mga lines na yon, mga solid lines na yon. Indicator yon na yun yung mga guides mo. Pag nag-aaral ka pa lang yan, you need the guides. Ngayon, pag natuto ka na, muscle memory na yon. Hindi ka na mawawala. Okay, at the stop sign, let's go make a left turn, please. How many stops?
2.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Angat. Angat ka. Okay, stop ulit. 1, 2, 3. Let's go make a left. Go to the middle. Pagdating sa middle, hand over hand. Sige, kabig lang. And then you wait for it. And then, ito yung yellow line mo ang hinihintay mo. Hindi ka basta-basta.
Para magkabalik ka.
When it's about to go straight, yung kotse mo, ganito, ano? When it's about to go straight, ibalik mo na siya. Para hindi ka mag-oversteer. Pag hindi pa siya almost straight, don't do anything yan. Kasi mawawala yung sukat mo. Ang mangyayari niyan, it's either puro kulang or puro sobra. Okay, so turns mo na yung ano kasi nakukuha mo na yung stop eh. Let's go make a right turn, please. How many stops?
2.
1.
1.
Stop sign
yeah.
on the left. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's go make a right. Gitna ka muna. Okay, ngayon turn. Turn. Then you look at the yellow. Yan o. Sinasabay mo yung...
Release it.
Yes, sinasabay mo doon sa yellow. Para pagdating mo sa gitna, straight ka na rin. Okay, pagdating ng walang lines yung pupuntahan mo na daan, there will always be guides yan. Or tansyahin mo na lang yung gitna. Speed bump. Slow down ka every time na may speed bump. Yan o. Alright. Keep going. Hindi yan stop sign. Pag nagsobra yung slow down mo, -1.
-1.
Nice. Galing ka naman mag-drive eh. Talagang guide lang, guide.
Disiplina lang.
Guide lang. Okay, let's go make a left. How many?
2.
1. Stop sign on the left. Let's go. Yung correct lane mo, punta ka muna sa gitna. Doon, keep turning. Dito ka lang, hintayin mo. Yellow, yellow. Yan Let's go straight, please. Dito 25 lang dito, tignan mo. -1 ka na yan. Huwag ka lalampas dyan sa line, -1 ka ulit dyan. Ayun lampas ka sa line. Malalaman mo kung lampas ka sa line dahil lumampas yung side mirror mo. Let's go straight. Okay, critical pa rin itong mga parts na to. Change lane to the left, please. Nice. Dito, palaging full stop ka dito. Kailangan libre yan. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok dyan na hambalang ka sa gitna. Let's go make a left. please. Left arrow. Yun. Let's go make a right turn. Go to the left lane. Yung left lane mo is yung red curve. You know, red curve. Let's go make a left turn, please. Oh, pag nakatama ka ng curve, bagsak. Dito, gitna ka lang, it's alright. Ayun o, doon ka matatapos sa yellow post. Ito yung sinasabi ko mga stop sign. Itong stop sign na to at yun. Let's go make a right, please. Oh, yung curve mo, bantayan mo. Ayun, yun na yung end of the exam mo, yung yellow post.
May yellow na yan.
Oo. Let's go make a left. Oh, mock test tayo. Good luck.
Okay.
Let's go make a left turn, please. Go to the right lane, please. Okay, let's go make a right, please. Let's go make a right turn. Yan, bantayan mo yan. You go slow. Yan. Tsatsaniin mo lang yan. Konti-konti lang. Pag nakita mong wala talaga, then you go na. Meron kasi nakahambalang na pick up. Oo. Huwag kang basta-basta lalabas dyan.
So,
Gumagalaw ka pero konti-konti lang kasi talagang tinitignan. Let's go make a left, please. Ganda na yun. Oh, mabilisan lang yung left, right, left mo. Ah, bagsak yun. 2 stops.
Ayaw.
Oh, wag kang kakabig. Oh, left, right, left.
Left, right.
Left, right, left. Let's go.
Okay, 2 stops. Wala ko dito. Oh my God. Ito pa lang, 2 stops na.
Pwede ka nilang pull into the curve dito sa white. Pero mas madali na yan. Let's go straight. Doon ka lagi sa ibabaw ng stop. Kasi pag nandito ka sa ganito, parang wrong way ka kasi matatamaan mo yung mga nakapark. Let's go straight. Kahit walang sasakyan dyan, puro exam yan, kaya ganun. Let's go make a left turn, please. Bantayan mo sa speed limit mo. Oh, wag ka dyan kasi parking yan. Oh, parking lane yan. Dapat nandito ka. Pag ikot mo, nandito ka dapat.
Sa gitna.
Oo.
Okay.
Okay, please pull into the curb. Kasi pag nandito ka sa parking lane, wide turn yun, -1 yun. Okay, just back up. Tapos, pag sinabihan ka nila, okay, fix it, sabi. Ibig sabihin, dikitan mo lang yung asfalto. Dapat, dikit ka doon sa asfalto, pero wag kang lalampas. Yan yung asfalto mo. Idikit mo si kotse mo, pero you don't go over. Let's go back up, please. Malayo kasi yan eh. Tignan mo Ang layo, oh. Parang maximum yan. 18 inches kasi ang maximum eh. Ibig sabihin, nandun pa tayo sa labas. Kaya dapat, okay, go fix it. Let's go back up. Oo, mali yan. Into.
Ayaw pala.
Konti lang, hanggang 11 and 1 lang. Sige, you go in, tapos dahan-dahan lang yan. Pag nakadiretso ka na, you go straight. Tignan mo lang yung mag-traffic check ka lang. Yan, perfect na yan. Tignan mo, yung backing mo, traffic check. So dito, saka sa likod. Yung signal mo when you're going in, signal mirror over the shoulder yon. Yung speed mo dapat around 5 miles per hour. Parallel ka dapat, ganyan, no? Pag nakatabingi yan, hindi yan, parallel, -1 ka dyan. And then car control, baka mamaya gumaganon ka, -1. Ito yung kanina ginawa mo, when at a stop, dapat ang wheels mo straight. Not unless na magra-right turn ka on 2 stops.
O nga pala, stop mo na straight and then go ganun.
Walang kabig yun. Ibabagsak
Kanina doon,
ka nila.
ano?
Yeah, let's go. Pull out of the curb. Okay lang yan. Talagang ganyan yung Let's pull out of the curb. Exaggerate mo is tingin ka ng tingin sa likod. Over the shoulder, yan. Kasi nga, nag-exam ka na. Sobrahan mo lang. Pero yung mga dapat,
Tapos dito, dapat di ako didikit dito.
huwag kang
dapat
didikit
sa
dito
gitna.
kasi wide turn yun, -1 yun. Sundan mo lagi yung stop mo, yung word na stop na kasi ibabaw niya. Let's go make a left, please. Dali na yan, ganda na yung driving natin eh. Oh, malayo yan.
Layo
Kasi
pa?
kita ko pa yung line eh.
Okay.
Ibig sabihin hindi mo pa kita sila masyado. Ayan oh. Yan, okay na yan. Traffic check ka. Let's go na. Pag may ganyan, umalis ka na agad dyan kasi ikaw na yan eh. Pag hindi mo kinuha agad yan,
Kunin nila.
minusan ka nila dyan. One stop yan. Okay, let's go make a left, please. Let's go make a left. Oh, speed mo. Oh, wala na. Speed mo. Nag-maxima, nag-ano ka. Oh, ang paa mo sa brakes. Oh, nandito ka na naman, oh. -1. Hindi pwede yun. Ibabagsak ka nila nun.
Okay.
Kasi unang-una, yung bilis mo, sobra. Ako na nag-brake.
Naku po.
May intervention na yon. Dapat slow down lagi. Ulitin natin yan. Let's go make a left at the stop, please. Ano lang yun? Every time na magle-left turn ka or right turn, 10 miles yun. Bababa ka lagi. Oh, sabay kayo dumating. Sige, mauna ka na. Sige, sabay kayo pwede. Oh, ito dito ka na nawawala eh. Huwag kang pupunta sa parking lane. Tingnan mo sila oh, parking lane yan, parking lane din ito. Let's go make a left please. Wala lang nakapark. Tingnan mo yung blue indicator mo. Yan. Yan ang iikutan mo. Oh, very good. Oh, check na. Wala ka doon. Tignan mo agad yung blue indicator mo. Ayan oh, andyan oh. Oh, so dito ka lang. Tapos yung word na stop mo, ayan oh. Dito ka talaga. Sinusundan mo lang oh. Okay, at the stop, let's go left, please. Let's go make a left. Okay, let's go make a left. Pag may parating, sino mauna?
Siya.
Tingnan mo, galawan mo yan. Yan. Perfect na yan. Tapos, kung merong sasakyan dito sa stop na nauna sa atin, sino mauna?
Ako.
Ikaw pa rin.
Kasi may stop siya.
Oh, mabagal naman ka ngayon. 10 miles. Basta within 10 miles, huwag kang gagalaw ng slow.
Okay.
Kasi pag slow ka doon, -1 ka pa rin doon. Proper speed limit lang. Mararamdaman mo naman yan kung masyado mabilis, masyado mabagal. Yan, it's okay lang yan. Let's go straight, please.